morning. How is everybody doing? Early morning. You know what I'm about to do before heading out. Waiting for my ride to go back to work. But I couldn't resist. I'm ready around my hood. So, drop me off at my house. Pick me up when I'm ready. Baby. Cold start. Now breathe. It's okay. Woo. Let's see how good my windshield wipers are. Not bad. Not bad. Look at me. Freezing. So, had to come and turn her on. I'm gonna see if I look funny, huh? I'm gonna see if I could take her out from all this snow that's dug up on her. Let her warm up and come right back. What's going on? It's right now, I don't know what time it is, like 3 something in the afternoon. On a Thursday afternoon. So, I put my muffler back on. And as you can hear, my belt is squeaking. If it's not one thing, it's the other. Belt squeaky, I just ordered it. Comes tomorrow. I'm gonna put right now my right there. That little pan right there, you gotta get changed. That's my blow-up valve. I'm about to put my old one, well, the one I bought for it, back. I don't know if you guys remember, I said I was drunk one night, and not only did I put the original one on, I put it backwards. I was drunk. This is coffee, by the way. So yeah. So once again, I put my muffler back on. And we about to hit the road tomorrow. Let's do it. Alright. So, how you change a blower valve, diverter valve. First of all, you want to take the vacuum line off. It's just something real good. Get it out, get it out. Come on, come on. There you go. With a flat head, take off clips. Alright. Another one at the bottom that goes into the air intake. They're loose enough. So once you take your clamps off, sometimes they set in so good that you gotta give them a little help. This one comes out easy. There you go. So this line goes down from here all the way down into my intercooler. Get you guys back here. How was it? So this is my old blower valve, stock one. Just want to take that out of there. And this is an Amazon one. Got this on Amazon for about 40 bucks. Yeah, it's air to atmosphere. I believe that's how you call it. It's adjustable. You know, so you can adjust it depending. I usually have it all the way closed. So this part is where the piston is at, where the spring is at. That goes into here. And this side goes into the intake manifold. Alright. Make sure that's in there. Now it's tight. Once again, with a flathead, make sure you tie up the clamps. Make sure you tie up the clamps real tight. You don't want no air leaks. Yeah, nice and tight. Alright. Do the same on here. Get this nice and tight. Alright. Voila. You know I gotta have my coffee. So I put my muffler back on, right? Car will be on the street tomorrow, so I don't want to be hot boy with a 3-inch pipe yet. Fucking whole bunch of anti-lock. Not yet. I gotta do my suspension, my front suspension. My rear suspension is done. I gotta do my front suspension and my front brakes. They're done. So my flex pipe, pause, had a hole, it cracked, point blank, real big crack. So, since I put my muffler on into AutoZone and I got this, let's see how she sounds. Something is wrong. So I did it again. I'm putting on my blower valve, diverter valve, and I put it backwards. Hey, what's up, guys? I hope you like the videos I'm putting out there, the contents I'm putting out there. If you haven't followed me, please follow, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment, negative, positive, I don't care. I like it. Any suggestions for my channel? You already know, hit me up. Leave a comment. More stuff coming. Yeah. Hey.
Let's take that thing off of them.
Come here. Come here. Over here. Sky.